Hello everyone, my name is Dora Milena Jaimes. I'm 37 years old. I live in the city of Bogota. I'm studying psychology and the video that I will perform will be about the topic A. Hello friend, how was the trip? Welcome to Bogota. Bogota is a city in which you can visit different interesting and very beautiful places. Here you can visit Montserrat, which is a religious sanctuary. To go there you can walk, or in cable, or in funicular. I recommend you take warm clothes because it's very cold. There is a commercial area where they sell and restaurant to delicious tamal, chocolate, or take guadepanela with almojábana and cheese. You can also go to the Candelaria, which is the historic center of the city. There can have coffee. You can also visit Usaquén, which is to the north of the city, where you can go through the variety of restaurants and eat delicious Santa Fe, and if you want to speed and fun night, you can go the soaring of the park or on the calle street 93. There are many bars and restaurants. And finally, I recommend you go to core ferias. At this time, there is the International Book Fair of Bogota. Just think, so you can take a little culture of this beautiful city. Thank you. Bye. Welcome to Bogota.